In this session, we will learn about subject-verb agreement. The rule of subject-verb agreement says that singular subject requires a singular verb and a plural subject requires a plural verb. So whenever you see the verb changing a number, you need to apply the rules of subject-verb agreement. For example, the star looks beautiful. The subject is star in the singular form and thus requires a verb in the singular form, that is, looks. Another example, the stars look beautiful. The subject is stars in the plural form and therefore must require a verb in the plural form, that is, look. So let us go ahead and apply this rule with an example from the manual. Refer to question number 1 on page 17 of your manual. We will follow the steps under line of action. Go ahead and read the question as fast as you can. Now write down the answer options followed by a vertical comparison. Do you observe any pattern? We observe programs in all the answer options. There's no change at all, so move on. Go on doing a vertical comparison till we observe a pattern in the answer choices. You need to be quick at this. Further we move ahead and we see that and which. We will not discuss about that and which as of now because we have not dealt with the rules. So try looking for a verb changing a number. There we have enable, enable, enables, enables, enable. We have obtained our pattern. Make sure you always keep checking for a pattern from top to bottom. Make a note of this pattern in your notebook. What is the change among the answer options? Enable is a verb which is changing in number. The moment we observe a verb plus s, it's singular, and the verb without s is plural. So, now that the verb is changing in number, I should be applying the rules of subject-verb agreement. Please make a note of this. This will come very handy to you when you're solving questions on the subject-verb agreement. Enable is plural and enables is singular. So, the verb is changing in number. Therefore, let us go ahead and apply the subject-verb agreement rule. So for us to find out the correct verb, we must first know what the correct subject is. So what is the subject here? The subject is programs. Programs enabled. Programs is plural. So as per our subject-verb agreement, we need to select a plural verb. So we eliminate C and D. We are left with A, B and E. Do a vertical comparison and find a pattern. We have to be able in answer option A and E and this phrase is missing in B. So now check if it is really required for the meaning of the sentence. Tell me, what does enable mean? To be able to do something. When I already have enable, then why do I need another phrase to be able? The presence of this phrase will lead to redundancy. We cannot have two words with the same meaning in a sentence. So, eliminate A and E. We are left with B and that is the correct answer. So do you see, I can actually solve sentence corrections within 45 seconds using the Csquare rules. You must follow all the rules 100% to see breakthrough results. This was indeed a simple question, wherein the subject was present next to the verb. However, you may not always get such simple ones. So, at this point, I will introduce the challenges that you may get. But do not worry because we have solutions for all the challenges. So let's go ahead.
For more tips and strategies, please feel free to contact us.